Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, let's see how to make chicken ghee roast. So let's begin with the recipe. Take a bowl and add about 10 to 15 Kashmiri red chili. To this, add some water. Now cover this and soak overnight. Take another bowl and add 1/3 cup of cashew, some water. Now let's even cover this and soak overnight. Take a pan and add about 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, about half teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 pinch of fenugreek seeds. Now dry roast this for few minutes on medium flame. Then add half tablespoon of cumin seeds, 2 strings of curry leaves, and half tablespoon of poppy seeds. Dry roast this for few minutes till you get nice aroma. Turn off the gas and let's transfer this to a plate and allow it to cool down. Take a wide vessel and add about 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee is hot, add 750 grams of chicken. Fry this on high flame for a minute. Add half teaspoon of salt. Mix and combine everything nicely. Now cover this and cook till the chicken is half cooked. Remember to keep checking in between. As you can see here, chicken is half cooked now. Let's transfer this to a bowl and keep aside. Now take a mixer jar and add soaked cashew in it. Also add soaked Kashmiri red chili. Now add dry roasted ingredients. About 2 inches of ginger, 10 to 12 garlic cloves, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, about 1 tablespoon of tamarind pulp, and 1 cup of water. Grind this into a nice thick paste. And here our grinded masala is ready. Take a wide pan and add about 3 tablespoons of ghee. Now add the grinded masala. Keep roasting this masala for few minutes on medium flame. After 10 to 15 minutes of roasting, masala has started to release oil. At this stage, add 2 strings of curry leaves, add half cooked chicken pieces, some salt, and about 1 teaspoon of jaggery. Now mix everything and combine nicely. Keep the flame in medium itself while roasting. Keep roasting the chicken till it is completely cooked. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee. As you can see here, chicken is cooked completely and also masala is coated nicely to the chicken pieces and ghee has started to release. Finally, add some coriander leaves. Mix everything nicely. And here our chicken ghee roast is ready to be savored. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section below. If you really enjoyed watching this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.